Are you concerned about who can view your Instagram content? In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to make your account private, ensuring that only approved followers can see your posts and stories. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and under Who can see your content, you'll see an option called Account Privacy. Just tap on it. And now, in order to make your Instagram account private, simply toggle on this switch next to Private Account. Tap Switch to Private. This is exactly how you can make your account private on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.